You should have killed me when you had the chance. Witness the true power of my Lazarus Pit! Give in. Never.
We are fated to rule this earth, to wipe it clean of the scum of humanity. Only we can do this. My father is old. His time is over. Ours is just beginning. Take his blade. Kill him. Accept your destiny. Accept our destiny.
You know I can't do that, Talia.
Then, beloved, you will have to die.
You cannot beat us! You cannot defeat us! We are Legion! We are Legion! Our number... You cannot beat us! You should have joined us. For that, you will suffer.
What are you doing?
Listen to me, detective, and listen well. You will kill me. You will lead the League of Assassins, because if you do not join us, I will kill the only person you have ever loved.
This wasn't part of the plan.
Do it. Detective. You should have killed me.
Yes, he should have. What kind of a man sacrifices his own daughter? And you lied to me. I thought you loved me, Bruce. I thought you were ready to join our crusade.
Talia,
Don't! You two deserve each other.
You're looking old, Raish. What's really going on here?
I have used the Lazarus Pit too many times. I've lived 600 years. My mind and body cannot take much more. Each time I enter the pit, I am frightened of what will come out.
The Lazarus Pit has corrupted your mind. Think about it. If your pit falls into the wrong hands, you'll be powerless to stop centuries of destruction. This is your chance for redemption, Raish. Call off your crusade, or I'll be back for you.
Bruce? Where the hell have you been? I thought you were dead.
Sorry to disappoint you.
Did you find Raish? Hold on. Your suit's readings are back to normal. Are you cured? What's going on?
Raish and his forces are based underneath Arkham City, extracting some kind of naturally occurring chemical he's called Lazarus. He's been using it for centuries, slowly perfecting the process until he was even able to bring himself back from the dead.
And you took some?
He forced me to. Small doses appear to heal most ailments, but even the small amount I ingested had a few nasty side effects. Prolonged exposure has driven Raish over the edge.
So, do you think you're cured?
No, the effects are temporary. Raish tried to convince me to use his pit, but the risks are too great. When I'm done here, I'll need to investigate this Lazarus technology further. I told Raish to shut his pit down.
And you think he will?
Unlikely. Raish is addicted to the pit. I've given him one chance to break that addiction, or I'll be back to do it myself.
Protocol 10 will commence in 2 hours.
See the way Penguin's guys just ran?
Yeah, Cobblepot's finished here. We just need to regroup, then head into the tunnels and take out the rest of them.
Can't wait. It'll be a regular turkey shoot.
Well, fly, little birdie. Bang!
Then what? Go back to the steel mill?
Gotta keep moving through the tunnels and find a way to get to the museum.
What if Batman got me?
It'll be even easier. Listen, between you and me, I hear Cobblepot's got all kinds of crap in that museum of his. We can...
Someone's sitting in there. You.
Do what Joker said! Oh, God. Everyone,
Get your asses over here now! Come on, wake up! Damn it, he's out cold!
We're dead. We're gonna die in here, and there's nothing we can do about it.
Leave him. Got more important things to be looking out for. Show yourself, chicken! It came from over here. I'm sure of it. Huh? What the hell? Not scared, you hear me? Not scared of you! It's Batman! He got away. He's using smoke.
So, what's it gonna be?
I'm in.
Yeah, me too.
Good. We've got weapons on the way. What? You expect us to join up with you unarmed?
Screw that.
He said guns are on the way. Won't be long. What part of that did you not understand?
Calm down. We're all friends here. Right? Bat's here!